So let's go ahead and create this part. And I'm just going to take all these dimensions, start drawing the lines. And one thing that I'm a little confused when I look at this, I don't know how high this line is. But if I come over here, I say, oh, it's 60, because that's the same height right there. So let's go ahead and draw this. We'll just open up a new part. We'll go out to our line command and we'll just start sketching. And maybe what I'll do is I'll look at this square on and I'll pull this down. I'll just use the axis. So I'll come out, say 100 tab, and it goes up 30 tab. And here I could just get to this place. I want to make sure this lines up, and if this doesn't line up, just sweep across here, and then I can go, that's it. And I'm going to put the dimensions on, make sure everything's right. This dimension out the side here was 60, and what was this dimension right here? This was 50, I think. So I'll change that to 50 tab. And this one here was 30. One last thing is to put the circle, and I don't know where I'll just put it in anywhere. And I know that this size though is 25, so I put in a dimension for that. And then with the smart dimension, I can say I want to go from here to this circle, and I can pull out a dimension. They sort of run into each other. So if I put that here, and that dimension was 30, these dimensions are sort of getting in the way of each other. So I can always come and just pull this out if it's in the way. I can't see that. I zoom in, pull it out, so it gives a little more room. One last dimension. I've got it from here high, but I want to go in this way now. And I'll just fit that and zoom in a little bit. And I'll put a dimension, say here, and that is 25. And again, it's a good habit to have the dimensions on the outside, so I'm going to zoom way in, grab the dimension and pull that out, and there's our sketch. If I fit that, and all I need to do then is simply come in and extrude, and how far back did it go? I can't remember. I have to go back and look at the drawing. So if I go back and look at the drawing, how do I know how deep that is? Top view. So that's the top view. It goes back 50. So now I know to type in 50. And there's our little 3D model.